On behalf of ExpertVillage, here at June Prairie, this is Gloria Van Werk, and I'm going to show you children's wigs. We do carry children's wigs as well. We have a lot of children that come in that are on chemo, or they have like a little accident and they've had to shave their heads, or they have alopecia, which is a loss of hair. So we do have children's wigs, and they're really cute. They start about $59.95, and they don't go up much. They're usually about $59.95, $69.95. But these little children's wigs are perfect for little children. And we have several little children that come in, and they'll put the children's wigs on, and they're just so happy that they have hair again. So, and this is a very lightweight wig as well. It has a beautiful fiber to it, and I think this is very important for mothers when they're trying to get their children a wig. Make sure that they get them a good fiber wig. And the head size on children's wigs, of course, is quite a bit smaller. So this will fit up to probably a 12-year-old, and then they can go into the adult wigs. But we do have this in a little short page boy, and we also carry it in a longer page boy. And we do have it in several different colors. So children's wigs are available as well. So it's good to look into things and talk to different people and see where you'd like to purchase your children's wigs from.